What's up, guys? It's Grant from G&E Motorsports, and today we are installing Core Sport shifter bushings on the SI. So shout out to them for sending these out to me, and let's get these on. Alright, so here are the bushings we are going to be changing out. The one there and the one there. So let me get this battery out, and then let's change them out. Alright, now that the battery's out, I'm going to take these cotter pins out. So, now I've had this one out before, so just like that, and I'm going to do the same thing to that one. Alright, so I'm not sure if that recorded or not, but I'm just going to take these out by pulling them up, taking a screwdriver and plying this out, and then put the new one in. But I'm going to weigh them next to each other really quick. Alright, so here is the stock smaller bushing, 21.9 grams, versus the new one, which is at 20.8 grams. Have the stock one. The big one at 39.3 grams, and the new one at 52.7. So to take these out, I just took a screwdriver like this and just pried them up and got them out. So let me put the new ones in. I want the thicker part to be on the bottom. That way you can put the snap rings on the top. You do have to end up taking these off. The easiest way to do it is just put a screwdriver in it. Like this, and kind of just moving up those screwdriver sizes and just pry it up. So if you do this way, you get a really small one, turn it like this, and then get under it a little bit, and then get a bigger one and kind of go all the way up till you get them off. These do move. You just have to get these rings. They don't move up, they move out and back, out and up. So that's how these move. I use the original cotter pins, not the cotter pins that came with the bushings themselves. But to put these back on, just simply take something long, like this, and hammer or mallet and just hit them on. So that is how you install shifter bushings. Now just put your battery back in, and well, first I'd say check and go through your gears to make sure you're all aligned. Thanks for watching this install, guys. As always, my name is Grant, and this is G&E Motorsports. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. I'll also put the link for the bushings in the subscription. And as always, come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.